For as low as 20,000, you can own a piece of this exclusive village with a breezy weather located at the highest peak of Nuvali South. This is the construction update of our newest project in Nuvali, Cressella Nuvali. Good morning to all our investors, especially sa mga buyers natin, no? From USA, Canada, Australia, UAE, Singapore, at sa iba pang bahagi ng mundo. By the way, no, I am Carlos Steve Singson, one of the sales managers from Ayala Lands Core RBG, and I am now here at one of the highest peaks of Nuvali South, which is Cressella Nuvali. Cressella Nuvali is the newest subdivision of Ayala Land inside Nuvali, which is located at the highest peak of Nuvali South. Nakagandahan dito, no? It is surrounded by the top tier subdivisions of Nuvali. Kaya pag dito ka nakatira, imagine konti lang kayo magkakapitbahay dito. We launched this subdivision last December 2024 and ang target completion niya by the last quarter of 2028. Kaya sa mga nakapag-invest dyan during the introductory price of Cressella, congratulations po kasi nag-increase na po ang value ng property natin dito. Cressella Nuvali is considered to be the smallest subdivision inside Nuvali. The total land area is approximately 13.5 hectares. So imagine, konti lang kayo magkakapitbahay and sobrang laki na amenities na pag-sharean nyo po dito. The entire subdivision has 46% is dedicated for the open spaces and 54% for the residential. Ang kagandahan dito, no, the entire subdivision is rolling terrain. It starts at 199 hanggang 225 meters above sea level. Ganun po kaganda at ka-breezy po dito sa area. So imagine, pag dito ka po nakatira, no, you have the flying view of Mount Makiling facing east. Facing north naman po, you have the view of Laguna de Bay and Makati skyline on a clear and fine sky. You also have the view of Tagaytay Mountains on your facing west. And sa facing south naman po are the greeneries of the Calamba area. Right behind me is the future amenity area of Cressella Nuvali, which includes clubhouse, which is air-conditioned na po siya, no? We also have pool lounge, amphitheater na magiging tambayan po natin in the future. We have pet park also na first ever in the Nuvali subdivisions. We also have gazebo, layered sewing spaces in basketball court, jogging path, landscaped and pocket garden, and parking spaces for guests and visitors. With Cressella Nuvali po, no, we have two types of products. Number one is the lot only. When we say lot only, you can build your own house as long as the design is modern, contemporary, and earth colors. And for the highest restrictions po, no, from the highest tip of your lot up to the roof, pwede ka mag 9 meters. So pwede ka po mag third floor po dito. Ang maganda kasi sa modern contemporary designs po, no, classic siya, ibig sabihin hindi siya naluluma, sumasabay lang po siya sa uso. And with this po, pwede ka po maglagay ng pool, depende po sa laki ng property mo. Para mas ma-appreciate nyo po, no, yung ganda ng modern contemporary design, I'll show some drone shots and videos from my old videos, no, para mapakita ko lang po sa inyo kung ano ang future community ng Cressella Nuvali. And for the house and lot package, no, we have two options. The first option is airing. The floor area is approximately 98 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Siya yung mini version po natin ng house natin. And for the bigger version, that is Solea. The floor area is approximately 114 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. Ang kagandahan naman po sa house and lot natin, no, is that you don't need to worry anymore sa pagkapatayo ng bahay. And of course, no, pagka uwi mo ng Pilipinas, ready-made na po yung bahay na i-deliver po sa atin. And para mas ma-appreciate nyo naman po yung ating house and lot package, no, I'll show you some videos naman po ng Erwin and Solea. Maybe some of you nakapanood ng TikTok video na ito, no? Ito yung tinatawag na Greenway lots in Nuvali. Nakagandahan, may mga available lots tayo na ganito ngayon kay Cristela Nuvali. So imagine, no, nakatira ka sa isang subdivision na sa harap mo wala kang katapat na bahay. So sobrang rare yung ganito, no? Na of course, alam mo, habang buhay na itong open spaces. You can start your investment here as low as 20,000 per month. So habang nasa early stage of investment pa lang po tayo, no? And we are currently selling the newest sector, the lots that are surrounded by the Amete area of Cristela Nuvali. Just send me a message para ma-hold po natin ang best location for you. For those who are interested to invest in with Cristela Nuvali, you can send me a message through my Facebook, which is The Property Expert, Ayalan Bacardo Steve Singson. You can also contact me via my iMessage, WhatsApp, that is +63961 462 2138. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Steve Singson, your property expert in Nuvali.